Drone and satellite. In a world where precision matters, LearningSpiral AI is at the forefront of data annotation and labeling, transforming how businesses leverage aerial, drone, and satellite images. With over 5 years of expertise, our team excels in annotating and labeling aerial, drone, and satellite images, delivering unmatched accuracy and reliability. From urban planning and agriculture to environmental monitoring and disaster management, our annotated data powers innovate solutions across diverse industries. Our state-of-the-art technology enables precision data collection and analysis, ensuring high resolution and actionable insights for your AI models. Whether it's optimizing crop management, enhancing construction sites, monitoring, or improving urban planning, our data annotation services drive efficiency and innovation. Our clients trust us to deliver high quality, customized solutions tailored to their unique needs, backed up by our commitment to excellence and innovation. Join the revolution with Learning Spiral AI and unlock the full potential of your data. Visit our website to learn more about our services and how we can help your business succeed.
Are you looking for the best data annotation services providers for your computer vision projects? Are you facing any challenges in autonomous projects with inaccurate data? Struggling with inconsistent and unreliable data? Is your data processing too slow to your project's needs? Missing project deadlines due to data inaccuracy issues? LearningSpiral AI, fastest growing data labeling annotation company in India, specializing in image, videos, text, and audio data processing. We have more than 5 years of expertise with 1,000 plus assisted projects, committed to quality and security. CMMR Level 3, ISO 27001, ISO 9001, AWS Partnership. Trusted by premium clients worldwide. Experiencing our free pilot policy. Set us a sample dataset and will process it for free. Thank you for watching. Contact us for data annotation needs. LearningSpiral AI, your partner in precision. Visit us at www.learningspiral.ai.